Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the little Hickville, USA, Belfair, Washington in the Pacific Northwest. Welcome to my channel. So this is November 2024's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 14. Yes, doing this channel makes me happy. So let's get started, right? So this kit was called Filled with Joy. They were 8 little stockings with tags on the back here. This QR code would lead you to a video that will show you how to put the kit together as it was designed. This one will lead you to a set of the 3 dies called Merry Tags and More that go with October, November, and December. Down here list the coordinating colors. So we're going to move on. Videos 1 through 5, I show you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we kind of just move on. I'm going to take a sip. Oh, I probably should have did that before I started. Ooh, the fizz of a Diet Coke. Yes, I'm being weak today as I don't feel good. So, Filled with Joy is the kit. We have Sending Lots of Cheer, the little 3 baubles, the 2 different sparkles, Merry Christmas, Filled with Joy, To and From Santa, the 3 different borders, and Holly Jolly. I have really been surprised by just how much I have gotten out of this kit, and this card is no different. And I think, guys, now that I have been doing this, I found an extra set tag and an ornament, so I will probably get 16 out of this because I had 14 and I had 13, 14, and 15 prepped to do videos in one day, and I found this is what I have left. So if I come up with something, not sure what, but if I can do this one, then I will have 16 videos for this month's kit. So let's get started. Yes, I am doing note cards, guys. Maybe I'll do a full-size card with this one that's left over. Maybe I can work that out, but I'm these little note cards and envelopes have been a big help in this kit. So if you see me, because I just haven't, the extra stamp set that I've been using is the October 2023's Home for the Holiday for the inside of my cards to celebrate wonder and joy of this festive season and Merry Christmas. I probably haven't been putting that in the description of the last videos, but I do apologize. Like I said, I'm not feeling all that well, so just one of those things. Okay, so we have number 14, a 5x7 by 3, scored at 3.5 inches note card and envelope. And this time we are still using that DSP that went with Snowman season. And I fussy cut out one of the Snowman. Let me bring in the DSP. So I'm using a layer of Poppy Parade that is 3.5 by 5 in Poppy Parade. This DSP that went with it is going to go right like that. 3.25 by 4 3/4. The pink tag from the kit, and this darling little snow person is from this piece right here. It was the only one that had a full one of her. I'm calling it a she. So that little snow person is a she with her pink glowing little cheeks. I think she's adorable. And that is what I am working with today. Any snow person, any snowman die punch you have would do the trick, but this is already got all the sparkles and everything, and I'm putting this little hole right here at the bottom because that's going to cover it up. It's going to be quick, simple, easy. If you like a quick and simple card, this version is for you. So I'm going to move that aside and let's just go for it, right? So layer number 1 is going to fit on to this, and hopefully I got this right. I did. Sometimes, you know, the last one I had the DSP a little off, so hopefully this is right. But I got it. I got it. This one had all the little hats on the back. You could have fussy cut those out, or the punch fit the little top hat. This video will air December 1st, and let's see if Mr. Hank lets me put his Christmas tree in his room, huh? Ugh. And I forgot again. I don't know why I'm doing that. You know, we have taught Hank to use your armpit when you cough. And I am coughing into my hand for some reason. So we are going to keep glue right on that little punch out piece because I don't want it coming down. And I am just going to go in the center here. These are sweet little cute, easy, quick little cards. And she is just going to go right there. Now we could pop her up. But guys, I'm not even going to worry about doing that, or even I am going to glue her straight down. There is so much sparkle on her. I think she is going to do just fine. And I'm going to make sure that circle, oh, I want to bring it further down because I want to stamp. Now, I'm going to bring the stamp in Pierce Mat, and we're going to get one chance at this, or I'm going to have to do some fixing. We are going to bring in the Poppy Parade. And one of my new coasters. And Poppy Parade is really easy to open now, because it has had a lot of use. And I'm looking for the Merry Christmas. I have never been this disorganized in my life. I'm telling you. Christmas time does it to you. So we are going to stamp Merry Christmas right there. Ta-da! Yes! Yes, yes, yes. I can do a happy dance. It's my party, right? Okay. Let's open it up. And we're going to stamp, like I said, I make a larger sentiment out of 2. We're going to do Celebrate the Wonder and Joy of this Season up top this time. You can really create, oh, we could have done the baubles. That would have been cute. We'll have to try that on the next one if I remember. And Merry Christmas. And then we can do this in, let me look at the front. Oh, we're going to do that in the pool party. I'm not even going to set it down. I'm just going to ink it up, hopefully. Set it over there. Ta-da! There we go. All right. Check done. We are going to put some stickily glitter glue all in all the little snowflakes at the very end. For now, we want to stamp. Oh, wait a minute. There's something else in here. Oh, another snowman. Let's put that in there. I forgot that I fussy cut that out because it was on a piece that had come off. I wasn't going to let him go to waste, was I? Of course not. Oh. I think my cold medicine is kicking in. Good, because I need it to kick in. What a cute little bit that is for the inside. So it was good we didn't put the baubles. All right. Now let's stamp. Oh, let's stamp. Oh, what are we going to stamp? We're going to do the squiggly bits again. And then we're going to stamp Holly Jolly. And the bobbly bobbles. The fun little bobbles in Pool Party for the back of the envelope. And I don't think those are centered at all, but it will work. It will do the job. And of course, there's ink on the block, which got on my envelope. So let's do the stickily goodness. Glitter glue. Glitter and glue. What better things to add for Christmas? Nothing, right? Glitter and glue. All right. We're going to make this card sparkle and shine some more. So and I'm going to have to let it dry overnight. Put a little drop there. Let's see where else we can add a little bit of glistening goodness. I need to get into my shed because I need to get a little jukebox that plays the Christmas music. I need to get Santa hats. So you guys may not know this, but my local senior center, their first bingo session, it's a family fun event, right? It's called Santa Hat Bingo. And I have made Santa hats. I have these Santa buttons, and I hand stitched all these button-only Santa hats. And we've been taking Hank ever since he was like 5 years old. So this will be the 4th year. And we go play Santa Bingo. Friday nights, we buy an entire table, which is like $50-$60, and we play bingo. We used to do it every single month, but football came into the picture, and we can't do it every single month, especially during the summer. But, okay, Santa Bingo is the first week now. It used to be the last. They used to do bingos the, last week of the month, but I saw online where it was the first week. So, as soon as I get paid, I'm going to buy our table, because you get so many bingo tickets when you just play a flat fee instead of paying like $7 a packet. I mean, it's not much, okay? But yes, we are going to bingo. We are playing Santa Bingo. Everybody's got to, I got to find the Santa hats, or I've got to buy new Santa hats. But we go, and we can wear our ugly sweaters to the bingo night. So we're going to bingo night. So there we go. With all its glittering goodness. I told you it wouldn't take long. But yes. And my Hank. My Hank does not want to wear an ugly sweater. There were no men's ugly sweaters at the stores. I don't know if Justice can find one online that he would like that will come in time. So in the men's department, when we were buying socks, guys, he didn't like there were shirts that had elves. And I took him to the women's department, and he's like, these are all for girls. And I said, I know, Hank. I said, but I just wanted to show you this is where I see the ugly sweaters. He's like, I don't wear women's clothing. I said, I know, Hank. I said, I know. I said, but I don't see any other ugly sweaters anywhere. He's like, well, I'll just get a t-shirt. I said, okay. He's like, I can pick any one I want. I said, yes. Oh, my little Hank. He got a shirt that said, on the naughty list. Yes, he did. That's my Hank. I thought, oh, you little cheeky little man. And he had this big grin on his face. And he's like, what do you think my mom's going to say? I said, your mom might send me back to the store, Hank. And he's like, it's pretty funny, isn't it? I said, okay. I said, it's up to you. I said, but remember, your mom's the one who talks to Santa Claus. He's like, well, can we get just to put just kidding on the back? Like, it's just as a cricket machine, right? I said, it's a red shirt, Hank. I said, I don't know if just has her cricket and everything up and running in her new home yet. And I don't know if that'll be ready in time. He's like, but it's pretty funny. And I'm like, okay, Hank. So, yeah. Oh, my cheeky little man. Ever the jokester. Last night, those two, my husband and Hank, were pranking each other. Oh, guys. I know I should let you go, but let me tell you. So, my daughter has this little speaker that has 2 karaoke mics that they love to sing into and everything. And last night I was not feeling well, and I was letting my husband and Hank play, and my husband uses the TV, right? So I'm in the living room. And all of a sudden, I heard these horrible, literally farting sounds coming from what I knew was the speaker. And Hank was giggling up a storm. I mean, laughing hysterically, running through the house. And then I was hearing my husband, making farting sounds. And I knew they were using the speaker, and they were using the microphones, making sounds, awful sounds at each other. These two, I'm telling you, they're like two little kids. But it's a Bluetooth speaker, right? So I was thinking, oh, Hank must have got his phone. I wonder if he knew where, because Hank has a phone, but he really doesn't use it unless he goes on the bus, and he hasn't been riding the bus, so it's been in my drawer next to my bed. This morning when I got on my phone to check my comment section, I found what phone he was using to broadcast YouTube on. He was using my phone, everybody. So on YouTube, on my thing, there was a whole thing scrolling up. There were fart sounds, just like 15 of them. That's where he was getting all his sounds from, was off of my phone. I was like, oh no, 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 no. So cracks me up, those two. I'm like, why couldn't they just use my husband's phone? But no, Hank used my phone. Anyways, the two of those two boys, they have a good time. Drive me crazy sometimes, but that's just how it is. So anyways, I will let you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope your holidays, your Christmas, your Hanukkah, whichever it is that you celebrate, is truly filled with love and happiness and joy, and that if you aren't with those that you love, that you are reaching out to them this holiday season. Thanks so much for watching and giving me this opportunity to come into your home and share my love of paper crafting with you. I do so love doing this. Even now, I mean, is feeling as awful as I do, like cold-wise, my spirits are lifted just by sharing with you. So thank you so much, and please come back and visit me in my wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody.